Turn to page 74 in the book Beginning Drawing Atelier. In this project, we're looking to understand how complex forms can actually be considered as a composite of simple, regular volumes. We will see the top of the teapot as two spheres, the body of a teapot as a conical shape, and the handle as a cylinder. Start by turning the top knob into a circle. Then sketch the center horizontal and vertical ellipses. Next, sketch a circle over the entire top of the teapot, finding the vertical and the horizontal ellipse. Be careful that the edges of your ellipse stay curved like the end of an egg and not pointy like the peak of an almond. Now turn the base of the teapot into a cone by placing an ellipse on the bottom plane. If you wish, you can add a cylinder shape between the teapot lid and the conical base. Can you see the handle as a long, thin cylinder? Look around at everyday objects in your house and see if you can imagine them as a series of volumes. Is the milk carton a rectilinear form? Is the French press a cylinder with a cone and a sphere? Have fun discovering how much easier drawing is when you see complex forms as simple shapes.